Good morning and welcome to this course on artificial intelligence for business. So today we're going to see the topic 3, the rules of artificial intelligence and in terms of first leadership. So let us get into this topic. Yeah. So this is going to be the overall discussion today. We are going to see the 10 rules and then we're going to see the leader's mindset as well as then we do the summary as well as the conclusion overall. So let us get into the introduction. Now, today, as we very well know, that AI is completely reshaping the business models and also the priorities of the leaderships. So, today AI is first must think, and it is not an afterthought. And the focus has been shifting from the manpower to mind power plus machine power. And today, competitive advantage is definitely depending upon the AI adoption speed. Rule one. So these are the AI first rules, and rule one is think digital before physical. And you always, whenever any process is being done, you want to redesign with that AI at the core, and then always prioritize data flows over paperwork for flows, and automate the first and the manual backup second, and use AI to predict and not react. Rule two: build a data-driven culture where data is treated as a strategical asset, and where data collection is being encouraged, sharing of the data is also encouraged, and transparency of the data is also encouraged at each and every stage of the business process. Track the performance using metrics and dashboard as well as analytics. Decision making moves from intuition to evidence. And rule number three, upskill and reskill the workforce. AI succeeds only when people know how to use it. Train employees continuously in the various digital tools and develop hybrid job roles, human plus AI interaction roles. And promoting learning mindsets and not task based thinking. And rule number four is to automate the repetitive and elevate the human. AI handles the routine, repetitive, and role based work. Humans going to focus on creativity, which is going to employ the strategy, empathy, and the judgment. Redesign roles around higher value tasks, and goal is machine efficiency plus human innovation. So if we collaborate with AI, don't compete, treat AI as a partner, not as a threat. Leaders want to work with the AI system to amplify the productivity and use machines insights to inform and augment decision makings and develop trust in AI tools for pilots and demos. Rule number six, ethical and responsible AI. Ensure that there is a complete fairness as well as privacy as well as transparency and accountability. Then build guardrails to prevent misuse and bias. And very communicate openly to the team about how AI is being used and create within the teams review policies with respect where the AI has completely they're periodically reviewed and also the governance team is also updated. And rule number seven is experiment fast and scale wisely. So you want to start very small where pilot AI applications are being actually done on very selected processes and the outcomes are being measured and then the algorithms are being refined. Now once it has been validated, then you actually scale it up. And here in the entire process, we need to balance the innovation and the speed as well as the risk control. This fine balance is very important. Rule number eight, manage change proactively. So people generally, there is a fear today of AI-driven change where they might lose jobs, but that has to be proactively managed. Leaders must communicate why behind, why is very important to be answered. And listen to the employee concerns as well as the feedback of the employees and recognize new roles and celebrate adoption wins. Whenever AI is being adopted, then we need to celebrate that wins. Rule number one, build AI partnerships. We collaborate with universities, vendors, and startups. Leverage cloud AI tools instead of building everything. Today, we have a lot of cloud AI tools instead of building everything in house. And access external expertise to accelerate innovation. And ecosystem thinking beats isolated effort. And the rule number 10, lead with vision and purpose. AI initiatives must be aligned with the organization mission. And AI is not only about replacing people, but improving the capability, elevating the capability of the individuals. And clearly identify what are the business problems that AI should solve and inspire teams to the future possibilities and not fear. The AI first leader mindset is curious, which is an adaptive and experimental. This is the mindsets and comfortable with uncertainty and rapid change, future focus and continuous learning, balances technological innovation with human values. And when you summarize now today, AI first leaders, they prioritize digital transformation, they empower humans with machines, make decisions guided by data and ethics, build cultures that welcome experimentation. So to conclude, AI is actually a leadership revolution and not a technological upgrade only. And its success very much depends on the leaders who embrace AI, people, and purpose. And then companies that adopt AI first mindsets will define the future. So thank you very much.